Char. For today's video nga pala ay galing kami sa TNT at meron kami mga binili ditong mga sweets. So magmumukbang tayo ngayon. Sweets ang imumukbang natin. Ito try natin tong mga binibenta nila. Ito $6 something pistachio cake at ito pistachio cheesecake. Yan. Tapos ito naman meron tayong
Mochi.
grape Daifuku raisin Daifuku. Parang mochi siya. Soft and chewy with bursts of real grape inside. Tapos ito naman, meron tayong snow volcano cake. Yan. Meron tong dalawang flavor. Parang yung isa is red velvet, ang isa naman chocolate. So, try natin. Anong unahin natin dito?
No.
Unahin muna natin itong volcano cake. Masarap ba?
Wow.
So, kuha lang tayo ng dalawang klase at pag-share naming dalawa.
It's like the same thing.
Yeah, it's just the
Yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Just different.
Parang napakahirap na mabuksan. Ayaw namang mabuksan. Ayan.
There you go.
Ito yung itsura ng kanilang volcano cake.
Shaped like a star.
Ang chocolate tsaka red velvet. So, buksan muna natin lahat para ano. Ito naman yung itsura ng kanilang parang mochi na may grapes sa loob.
I don't know how to open that.
Ito naman yung
Oh, I'm supposed to open that.
cheesecake. Ayan, ito yung itsura ng
kinda like
pistachio
slanted.
cheesecake. So, ayan. Kukuha tayo ng dalawa, ilalagay lang natin dito. At ito yung titikman natin. Kaya yung itatabi natin para pag hindi naubos. Ayan. So, hiwain muna natin ito. Paano kaya itong volcano cake na ito?
So I'm gonna blow.
So,
It's probably like the one that like just slurs out.
so ito try natin. Ganun? Or hindi na? Hiwain lang natin.
Slice it. Let's see if it's volcano. It doesn't look like
Doesn't
a volcano.
looks like a volcano man.
I thought it was
Ito
like
yung
gonna
itsura
slur
siya.
out.
No, it's not.
It's just a
So,
volcano.
ito. Tikman natin.
Ooh, it's soft.
Ito parang bread. No siya. Normal. Tapos may chocolate cream. Tapos whipped cream lang. Yan lang. Mamaya i-rate natin kung ano yung not bad. Okay siya. Meron din pala siyang parang raspberry sa
You
loob.
didn't see that?
No. No. Mahal. Ito. Red
The velvet
red
one.
velvet.
Whoa. I think I like this better. I think I like this better.
Yeah. Kasi, siya, parang, yung kanyang cream, parang merong, parang cream cheese na halo.
Yeah, and there's like coconut on top.
Mm.
Shredded coconut.
Yeah, masarap siya. Okay. Next, ito. Tag-isa kami. Mochi. Kuha ka na.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos, magtae tayo. Huwag naman, pasok ka naman ako. Nakbo.
Ooh, it's like cold.
So, malamig siya. Ano daw to? Meron daw to real, sa ilalim.
It smells like mochi.
Oh yeah, smells mochi.
Ooh.
Cream lang naman yun sa ilalim.
It says like the grape candy. It doesn't really taste like grape. It's like the candy version.
Hindi siya ganun ka ano.
It says like the candy one.
Parang yung jelly niya, parang yung grape, parang candy nga lang.
I know. Right? Oh look,
Oh,
there's something inside.
ano yan, that's what I know. Parang candy lang siya. Tapos may, So-so.
I like it.
Ay. Siguro if matcha pa yan, probably like
But
it.
did it happen?
So, next, itong pistachio bas cheesecake.
Cheesecake. I like cheesecake. The only cheesecake I like is the blueberry one.
Wait. Taste lang natin po.
Do we need spoons?
Probably. Ito. May, may balat ng pistachio. Salbahe. Bigyan ng balat ng pistachio yung
It's
okay
good.
lang. Para sa akin, okay lang.
Can I go grab a spoon?
Kasi, yung cheesecake niya, masarap. Pero hindi ko masyadong nalalasahan yung pistachio.
Like, it's only the topping.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. The topping, yung topping nung nalalasahan ko.
Yeah, me
Hindi
too.
yung mismong, yung pistachio
I'll try
na
that
cheesecake.
one. That one has no topping.
Yung ilalim, yung mismong cheesecake, malasa siya.
Mommy, you're not playing the video.
It's plain. Oy.
It's not.
It's plain, oh.
Oh, it is.
Yung
Okay,
itong white, malasa siya. Pero itong pistachio, hindi ko nalalasahan masyadong yung pistachio. Pero, may lasa siya kaysa dito. So, kung ang rate ko dito is ito, yung pinakamasarap. So, siguro nasa mga 8.5. Tapos, sumunod itong pistachio. Nasa mga 6.5. Tapos, ito, nasa mga 3.5. Kasi, hindi masyadong Masarap ito. Medyo kanina, pagtingin ko, hindi ako masyadong naaanuhan dito. Kasi parang feeling ko, tinapay lang siya. Kasi parang ganun. Pero, yung tinapay, akala ko kasi matigas kasi it looks like hard bread. Parang ganun. Pero hindi pala, napaka-soft niya. Masarap siya, actually.
I like the mochi more.
Yeah.
I like this one. And then
I cannot really taste the inside.
I like
Like,
the mochi one.
but the mochi, yung mochi ito, yan, masarap siya kasi sobrang lambot niya. Pero, yung mismo, hindi ko siya malasahan. Siguro, ito try natin pagka nakapunta tayo ng Japan.
Get a matcha one.
Yan. Yeah, I was gonna get the matcha one from Nara.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like
so,
this one and this one and this one.
So, which one is the best for you?
This one.
No, I mean the three of this, which is the best?
The mochi. I really like the mochi.
Matabang na wala siyang masyadong ano. Yung mochi kasi maano siya, soft. Pero, yung loob, hindi siya. So, para sa akin,
just
ito,
for me it does.
ito yung pinaka the best sa akin. Tapos, yung chocolate. Tapos, yung cheesecake. Tapos, yung mochi.
I don't really like the chocolate though. I like the red velvet more.
Bye. That's it.